Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsica, South Yorkshire. Hi, welcome to this video. Today I'm just going to share with you how to do some stamping using the seahorse stamp as so, some memento ink as so, and various green, pink, white and blue waxes. Okay, and using our trusty encaustic iron. Okay, the first job we need to do is to get the lid off the ink. It's making myself laugh here. It's very stuck. There we go. First job we need to do is to stamp our image onto the encaustic card. I'm just going to move my waxes out of the way for a moment. Select our piece of encaustic card. So this is A6 postcard size. Here is my seahorse stamp. Okay, and all I'm going to do is take the ink. Can be found, I think it can be found in my Etsy and Amazon store. If not, just contact me and I can sort it out for you to be able to get it. If it's not there, make sure there's plenty on there. Then choose where I'm going to stamp the image. It's going to be roughly in the middle of the card. Press it down. Nice and firmly. Let's see what we've got under there now. So there we have the seahorses. We take a tissue, we just lay it over the image. So that's doubled up. And then we iron the image. And this will dry the image and make it part of the card. Just going to let that rest there for a second or two. I'd like to thank people for supporting the channel, for subscribing, etc. If you're liking what content I'm providing and you'd like to support me some more, there is always the option to visit the Ko-fi website and donate, and some people have done already, so I'd like to say thank you for that. So that's now dry and part of this card. So these seahorses are now fused to this card. You can't get them off. They're stuck there now. They're part of it. Okay. Then I'm going to apply clear wax number 27 all over this piece of card. So I'm just going to pop it on the iron. So yeah, I'd like to say thank you to people who've done that, and other people who've shared and commented and asked for various videos making. So I've got clear wax over there, and that will help thin the colours and make it appear more water-like. So then what we're going to do is make our water and sea type environment for our seahorses to live in. So we've got our iron, and we've just got some white wax, quite a bit of, little bit of lilac wax, a couple of different blues, just little bits of the blue. Blue's a very, very strong colour. A little bit of pink in there as well. And a few little bits of green can go in as well. We're not too worried. Right, pop the iron at the top of the picture, rest it down, and then just slide the iron towards myself all the way, and not coming off at all till we're all the way off. Okay, as you can see, there's no lift marks in that at all. Just done it in one swoop. And then we're going to take the iron in a second and add some details, just using the tip of the iron. So it's a bit like when you draw. What I'm going to do first, actually, before we start drawing into it, I'm just going to put a bit more colour at the bottom. And just this section here where I've just rubbed my thumb across. There's not loads of wax there, but there's enough. But I'd like just a little bit more. Look, there we go. And I've just bounced the iron around a little bit. Just like literally just tapping it up and down. That just adds a bit more wax. I've just got some gold, a tiny bit of blue and a tiny bit of white. And then we just start pushing wax through, up, and creating like little tendrils and things, bits that would be under the sea. Seaweed and such like. I can have bits coming in from the sides, bits floating off. You might not be able to see everything either. Don't worry about that too much, as in it's fine to have like gaps and bits, because when you think about when you're underwater, you wouldn't necessarily see as clearly as when you're not underwater. The nice thing with encaustic is you can create whatever you see fit as well. You know, whatever fits for yourself. You're creating your own little worlds of. I'm just tapping with the iron a little bit on its side. And it's quite a nice little underwater image, created literally just with the iron, wax. Let's peel this up. Oh, so it's slightly stuck to the under paper, so just edge it up and then just run your thumb under and you'll be able to get that to snap out. Like I say, thank you ever so much everyone for supporting the channel so far, and feel free to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you've not already, and like I say, thank you for your support so far. Happy painting everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.